Hello everybody, so today I want to show you how to answer this one. We can see that we have the circle on the top, so that means if we look carefully about this one, we can see that this is about B, and we can see that repeat about B in here. This one is similar for this one, and we know that that is about only F, because 8 and 8 they will have the circle on the right or on the left, so that means F that is about the cross in here, so we just have only this one, and B that is on the top. This is the end. Thank you for watching.